Okay guys, so I'm going to show you two ways to kind of jazz up spice with your Twizzles, make it more difficult, more interesting. The first is to take a difficult entry. So, take your standard walk jump, throw your arms out, and then twizzle when you land on that back outside edge. So once you're on the back outside edge, go ahead and start your back outside twizzle. Now, the second way to jazz it up, which I'll demonstrate, is to go ahead and have a continuous arm movement during your twizzle. So what I will actually do is take the waltz jump. When I land on the back outside edge, I will take my arms down and then they will come up throughout the 4 or 5 twizzles that I do. So continuous arm movement right from the landing. Land quickly down and up. Good. Make sure the elbows are straight if you really want to get credit for this. The elbows cannot be bent, so keep the elbows straight. And then try this position. It's kind of like an open book, like a clam, actually a clam. It'll look like this on the ice, and I'll demonstrate here right now. Okay guys, so I hope that was useful. I'm going to be demonstrating more interesting things you can do before your twizzle and during your twizzle and maybe after your twizzle in the next set of videos. So be sure to stay tuned and be sure to subscribe if you like to skate, if you like to twizzle, or if you just want to learn more. See you next video.